Alright, this is an HRS, or Heat Recovery Systems, model L-356 from 1991. This is the other one that I have. You saw my other one in a previous video. This fan I got from a fellow fan collector, Rocky Durbin. Thank you, Rocky. This one is in all original condition. Original bearings, original paint. Nothing really has been done to it. The only thing that's not original is the down rod, but it's the original length. It's 10 inches. Yeah, y'all know that this is my #1 childhood fan. I've explained it in my other videos. So we'll go ahead and start it up. I've got it on a 5, 10, 15 microfarad force feed control by Litolier. We'll go ahead and start it up. I believe this fan came out of some kind of gym or something. It had one of those aluminum cages on it, but I didn't want it, so Rocky kept that. I just wanted the fan. As you can see, it's missing a little paint on the bottom of the motor. That's really the only cosmetic damage to it. A nice slow low speed. I love industrials going at an aesthetic low speed. It's something I grew up seeing, especially at like Toys R Us and where I saw this fan, Harris Teeter. Of course, Toys R Us had Dayton's, but they were still cool, spinning really slow. Alright, let's go to medium-low. Fan's well balanced, and it runs well. Like I said, it has the original bearings in it, and they're nice and smooth and quiet. Alright, we'll go to medium-high. Already feeling plenty of air off of it. I figured out that if I only have to keep, like say if I move out and I can only take a few fans, I'll take my industrials like these and my originals, and everything else can go away. These mean a lot to me. Because I know I've had a hard time finding these. They only come up once in a blue moon. Alright, and we'll turn it up to full blast. Moving a ton of air. The blade pitch isn't as much as, say, like an older Gold line, and it definitely goes faster, but I think because of that, the air movement is more widespread. It's a different airflow pattern. but it's definitely very effective. If you want to cool a good sized space, this is your fan. Alright, we'll shut it off. I'll let this one spin down. Alright, that was the HRS L-356. Hope you enjoyed the video.